So economic activity accelerated in South Florida. U.S. economy growing. Global economy sluggish but growing. Florida doing very well in terms of business climate and economic activity. Our South Florida region benefits significantly from that. And additional gains are expected this year. So we ended up 14 in pretty good shape. Let me show you some of the data so you can see what I mean. One is the fact that employment in South Florida, payroll employment, is growing faster than in the state. And the state is growing faster than the nation in payroll employment. If you look at the industries, we have a highly diversified industry base. All of the industries did very well. So it's not just construction. Construction is up 9%, which is quite significant, but from a low base. We still have not recovered the construction level of employment we had before the financial bubble and the Great Recession. In terms of Florida's trade partners, a lot of them are, of course, in Latin America, and you can see it's mixed. Brazil may grow 1%. That's pretty low for Brazil, which is not good for us here in terms of Brazilian visitors and spending here. And if you talk to major retailers here, they tell you Brazilians are not coming as they used to. Colombia, however, Costa Rica, Dominican Republic, this is our top 5 trade partners. Import-export activity, and Chile are doing well. Florida is likely to perform in the national economy again this year. I mean, that's a given. I mean, given the strength of the economy here. We surpassed New York, and I always say, bye-bye Broadway. We're now the 3rd largest state in the union in population. That has challenges relative to education, relative to infrastructure, our road systems, mass transit, and all that. But it has also purchasing power. People coming here, spending money, putting in new homes, putting in new businesses, retail sales. We're the 3rd largest state in the nation, and political power in terms of electoral votes. If the economy continues to expand the way that we look at it in terms of employment growth and income growth, and the fact that banks are more credit quality oriented, and the fact that a little over 50% of the transactions so far have been cash, people buying condos, investors and equity firms and so forth, this is a different ballgame than prior to the flipping days of the bubble. So that's overall what I see. In other words, growth, but at a slower pace in the multifamily and in the commercial real estate. Warehouses should do, once we get the post-Panama ships here, that'll be interesting, even though they have been built up already. But I think the office market should be among commercial real estate, the office market should do the best.